Scheiße. Oh.
Watch as the room rocks, mentally moonwalk, mixed media slang, banging in your boombox, verbal violence, lyrical stylist, in a time when rock hip-hop rhymes are childish. You can't tell me with rhymes that are empty, rapping to a beat doesn't make you an MC. With your lack of skill and facility, you're killing me, and a DJ in the group just for credibility. I heard it, some of you are getting help with your rhymes. You're not a deceive, someone else write your lines. Rapping over rock doesn't make you a pioneer, cause rock and hip-hop collaborated for years, but now they're getting randomly mixed and matched up, all after a fast buck, and all the tracks suck, so how does it stack up? None of it's real. You wanna be an MC, you gotta study the skill. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Bring it to you every time like this. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Step up, step up. So you pick up a pen and write yourself a new identity, but mentally you don't have the hip-hop energy, with a tendency to make up stories, sounding like the only hip-hop you've heard is top 40, and your record company's completely missing it, and all the kids are dissing it for not being legitimate. So in a battle you can't hack it, react with whack shit, get smacked with verbal backflips, get your ass kicked by fabulous battle catalyst. It's taken decades for MCs to establish this. You're new to hip-hop and welcome if you're serious, but not on the mic, leave that to the experienced.
Using waves of sound, the true master terrorizes his opponent, leaving him vulnerable to attack.
Who can rock a rhyme like this? Bring it to you every time like this. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Step up, step up. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Bring it to you every time like this. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Step up, step up.
After years of painstaking research by the world's leading sound scientists, we here at the Sound Institute have invented a reliable audio weapons system. Actual movement of musical sound in space is used to carefully attack and neutralize the cellular structure of the human body. The question must be asked:
Who can rock a rhyme like this? Bring it to you every time like this. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Step up, step up. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Bring it to you every time like this. Who can rock a rhyme like this? Step up, step up. Leather weathered Irish skin, beard orange as the sunset of the flag. In the night sky we fly it in, pride for the life we fight to live. History I write with it, spit it with the dialect. And this is a celebration, of course. The green, white, orange. And when they pulled up on that shore, first generation born toasted those that made it on the boats in New York. And when the English came, the colonizer came. They filled up bottles of gasoline, turned them into balls of flames, and hurled them to protect what's ours. I'll touch these lucky charms. Whole bunch of Irish screaming, fuck the London Guard. I'm kidding, not just in London is bloody raw, but go against the Irish and get a bloody jaw. Preach non-violence, but remind